Installment 6, Joyce Meyer, Battlefield of the Mind. Reading it so you don't have to. Little chunks. Listen, walk along with me. A vital necessity. We're starting on page 20. For the believer, right thinking is a vital necessity. A vital necessity is something that is so important that one simply cannot live without it. Like a heartbeat is vital or blood pressure is vital. These are things without which there is no life. The Lord impressed the truth on me years ago concerning professional or personal fellowship with Him in prayer and the world. I was having a terrible time disciplining myself to do things until He showed me that they are a vital necessity. Just as a physical life is dependent upon vital signs, so a spiritual life is dependent on spending regular quality time with God. Once I learned that fellowship with Him is vital, I gave it a priority in my life. In the same way, I realized that right thinking is vital to victorious living. I got more serious about thinking about what I was thinking about and choosing my thoughts carefully. Matthew 12:23, as you think, so you are. Either make the tree sound healthy and good, and its fruit sound healthy and good, or make the tree rotten, diseased and bad, and its fruit rotten, diseased and bad. For the tree is known and recognized and judged by its fruit. The Bible says that a tree is known by its fruit. The same is true of our lives. Thoughts bear fruit. Think good thoughts, and the fruit in your life will be good. Think bad thoughts, and the fruit in your life will be bad. Actually, you can look at a person's attitude and know what kind of thinking is prevalent in his life. A sweet, kind person does not have mean, vindictive thoughts. By the same token, a truly evil person does not have good, loving thoughts. Proverbs 23:7, and remember Proverbs 23:7, and allow it to have impact on your life. For as you think in your heart, so are you. I frequently say, where the mind goes, the man follows. Chapter 3, don't give up. Galatians 6:9. And let us not lose heart and grow weary and faint in acting nobly and doing right, for in due time and at the appointed season we shall reap, if we do not loosen and relax our courage and faint. No matter how bad the condition of your life and your mind, don't give up. Regain the territory the devil has stolen from you. If necessary, regain it 1 inch at a time, always leaning on God's grace and not on your own ability to get the desired results. In Galatians 6:9, the Apostle Paul simply encourages us to keep on keeping on. Don't be a quitter. Don't have that old give up spirit. God is looking for people who will go all the way through with Him. Isaiah 43:2, go through. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they will not overwhelm you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned or scorched, nor will the flame kindle upon you. Whatever you may be facing or experiencing right now in your life, I am encouraging you to go through it and not give up. Habakkuk 3:19 says that the way we develop hind's feet, which a hind is an animal that can climb mountains swiftly, kind of like a goat, is to walk, not stand still in terror, but to walk and make spiritual progress upon the high places of trouble, suffering, or responsibility. The way God helps us spiritually progress is by being with us to strengthen and encourage us to keep on keeping on in rough times. It's easy to quit. It takes faith to go through. Deuteronomy 30:19. I call heaven and earth to witness this day against you, that I have set before you life and death, the blessings and the curses. Therefore choose life, that you and your descendants may live. There are thousands upon thousands of thoughts presented to us every day. The mind has to be renewed to follow the Spirit and not the flesh. Our carnal, worldly flesh minds have had so much practice operating freely that we surely don't have to use any effort to think wrong thoughts. On the other hand, we have purposely chose right thinking after we have finally decided to be like-minded with God. Then we will need to choose and continue to choose right thoughts. When we begin to feel that the battle of the mind is just too difficult, that we aren't going to make it, then we must be able to cast down that kind of thinking and choose to think that we are going to make it. Not only must we choose to think that we are going to make it, but we must also decide not to quit. Bombarded with doubts and fears, we must take the stand and say, I will never give up. God is on my side, He loves me, and He is helping me. You and I will have many choices to make throughout our lives. In Deuteronomy 30:19, the Lord told His people that He has set before them life and death and urged them to choose life. And in Proverbs 18:21, we are told death and life are the power of the tongue, and they who indulge in it shall eat the fruit of it. Our thoughts become our words. Therefore, it is vitally important that we choose life-generating thoughts. When we do, right words will follow. Until next time.